Title: Gorgeous, Embracing the Beauty of Life. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gorgeous. Gorgeous is an adjective used to describe something or someone as exceptionally beautiful, pleasing, and captivating. It's a term that signifies the celebration of beauty in its most enchanting forms. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gorgeous is straightforward, ɡɔ́rdʒəs, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, the sunset over the ocean painted a gorgeous palette of colors that left everyone in awe. Importance. Gorgeous is a word that reminds us to appreciate and find beauty in the world around us, from nature's wonders to the charm of individuals. Conclusion. In summary, gorgeous is a word that represents the celebration of beauty and the enchantment it brings to our lives. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the gorgeous moments that make life more enchanting.